Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my Walmart beauty box with you guys, and it is called Time for I's Favorite, and this box is supposed to be valued at over $37, so we will see. It actually has 6 things in it. I was really wanting this box to try the mascara in it, and that was like the main thing I really wanted in the box. I had just never bought the mascara because I actually get so many mascaras in my beauty boxes that I find that if I purchase an extra one, that it's probably going to go, something's going to go to waste. So I had never bought it, but I had bought the glow kit a few days ago, and I went back to get this one, and I was really excited because this was the last one, or lucky, this was the last one they had left. They had some of the glow ones left, but let's go ahead and jump into this. And this box was a little easier to open. Okay, so the first thing we're going to check out is the loosest thing in it, and it is called Little Black Dress Lashes. I really don't know. I'll tell you something. I think I drop something in every video I make. I don't know what kind of lashes these are. Okay, these are actually Kish lashes, and I have used their lashes before, so I do like them. The ones I got is 100% hair, and the quality is really good. So I know I will be using these. I like the bands on these. Okay, so we're going to move on to something else. And this is by e.l.f. and it is the e.l.f. Essential Brow Wax Pencil. And this is it. It goes on clear. This is to keep your, like after you do your brows, or to set your brows when you're done, or before. I really don't use much of this, but I'll probably give this one a try. Okay, so the next thing, and it is by Maybelline, New York. It is a Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in the color 601 Slick Onyx. And I like a good gel pencil. And there it is. It goes on smooth. But right now, I won't lie, I have so many gel liners that I'm afraid. I actually did come across one the other day that was dried out, but that's okay. The next thing is by Almay, and it is 110 Cause a Stir, and it's got 4 different colors in it. Let me see if I can get this open. This is like hard to get open. Okay. So it has like one matte color. And I've not really used a lot of Almay products. They did make some foundation a while back that I really liked. Well, that's strange. I thought that was going to be. So this, starting here, is the top color. And here's the second top color, the bottom color, and the bottom last color. They kind of look, and in certain lights they look purple, in certain lights they look more gray. I don't know. But I know I will use these, and they'll make some good smoky eyes. So I do like that. Okay. And here is the bigger, well, this is like, okay. So this is the CoverGirl True Naked Nude. We'll do a few swatches on it. So I'll go ahead and get rid of this. I ain't used them in so long. And what I like about this palette, as you can see, it's got some shimmers, it's got some mattes. That's what I like about a good palette. It's got like more than shimmers or more mattes. I don't know. I've been getting a lot of shimmer palettes, a lot of shimmer colors lately, and you always need some good mattes. You know, I really like the way this feels. It's very smooth. I don't know why I smelled it, but it don't have no bad smell to it. Right here's a few swatches. I really like the shimmer colors there. So, I will be getting some uses out of this, especially for like an everyday look. And this, and I know everybody's probably tried it but me, it is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I think it's, yeah, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It kind of reminds me of the, is what I've heard, the Better Than Sex mascara. And I really like that mascara, so I think I will like this. And I've heard such good reviews about this one. And here is the applicator. So this, to me, was worth the whole box because I really wanted this, to try this. And now I have a chance, found a reason why to buy it. Okay, so everything out of the box. Of course, this is my favorite. Then this. And then the eyeliner. Like, I'll probably get more use out of these products. Look, see right here, this looks purple. I don't get it. It looks purple, it looks gray. I don't know. Maybe it's meant to look like it. Okay, so this, I can't wait to use these products. But that's everything I got in my box. What was your favorite item? Just let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, if I get to say that right. And you guys have a good day. Bye.